Hello, my dear students of class 12 geography. In this video, I am going to talk on the topic literacy, which is an important topic of chapter 3, population composition of the book Fundamentals of Human Geography. Population is composed of various elements or characteristics, and literacy is one of the most important characteristic of a population. Let us come to know first what literacy is, how is it defined, who are called literate. The term literacy has been defined by different institutions, and in different country it is defined in little different way. Literacy, as defined by UNESCO, is the ability of a person to identify, understand, interpret, create, communicate, compute, and use written and printed materials associated with varying context. It means if a person can read, write, communicate, compute, or use the printed and written material with understanding, can be called a literate person. In India, the literacy rate denotes the percentage of population of the people aged 7 years and above who is able to read and write and do simple arithmetic calculations with understanding. So in India, literacy starts being counted from the includes the people, in fact, aged 7 years or above. And if a person is able to read or write in any language and do simple arithmetic calculations with understanding, is said to be a literate. Actually, the proportion of literacy, the proportion of literate population of a country is an indicator of its socio-economic development. Literate people is an asset of the country. Literacy not only reflects the socio-economic development of a country, but also it reflects the standard of living, availability of educational facilities, and government policies. Regarding socio-economic development, actually literacy is both cause and consequence of socio-economic development. Or we can say socio-economic development causes literacy, and literacy also causes socio-economic development. Higher the number of people are literate of a society, greater is the economic and socio-economic development of that society. And if a country is economically and socially developed, then also we find that causes higher literacy among their population. It also reflects the standard of living. Of course, we can see the standard of living different in educated community and uneducated community or illiterate community. Their level of income gets different. Skilled or literate person can create and produce better resources, and so they can earn better values. So their income level gets different. It also, literacy rate of a particular society speaks about the availability of educational facilities in that society. If better educational facilities are available, more and more people become literate, more educated, skilled. Similarly, the government policies also influence the rate of literacy. Say, in India, we have universal literacy program, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and according to that, under that policy, we offer midday meal and many other facilities to the students, and that have helped in increasing the literacy rate of the society. So, government decision, government policies also influence the literacy. Literacy is an important aspect, and every country wants to make their population literate by 100%. If we see the average literacy in the world, then actually in the world, average literacy of the people aged 15 years and above is 86.3%, 90% for males and 82.7% for females. But same thing if we see in India, from where we include the people or children of 7 years and above also, our total literacy rate according to the census 2011 was 74.04%. Male literacy 82.14%, while female literacy is only 65.46%. So, we can see the variation in the literacy rate of male and female worldwide as well as in our country also. If we talk about the states, then Kerala with 93.91% of the total literacy is at the top ranker, while Bihar with 63.82% of the total literacy is at the bottom of the list. So, literacy is an important aspect of population, characteristic of population, and it is an important tool of socio-economic development for a society. Thank you.